If you're trying to drag media into Premiere Pro and nothing is happening, you're definitely not alone. This is one of those frustrating issues that can stop your edit right at the start. But the good news is that it's usually caused by a simple setting or a file compatibility problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step, so you can get back to editing quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Premiere Pro tips and fixes. Let's start with the most common cause, source patching. Look at the left side of your timeline and check the boxes for V1 and A1. These should be highlighted blue. If they're turned off, Premiere Pro may refuse to let you drag clips into the timeline properly. So make sure both your video and audio source patching are enabled before you do anything else. This alone fixes the problem for a lot of editors. Next, check your track targeting. This is the second set of boxes next to the track labels. Sometimes Premiere Pro gets stuck, and simply clicking the V1 and A1 track target buttons off and then back on can refresh the interface. It sounds basic, but in many cases, this quick toggle is enough to restore normal drag and drop behavior. If that still doesn't work, try restarting Premiere Pro. A temporary glitch can sometimes cause the timeline to stop responding correctly. Close the program completely, reopen it, and test the drag action again. If the issue is still there, go to Window, then Workspaces, and choose Reset to Saved Layout. This resets the interface back to default and can fix layout bugs that interfere with editing. Now let's talk about the files themselves. If Premiere Pro cannot support the format or codec, it may not let you drag the file in at all. This happens a lot with certain camera formats, screen recordings, or files that were exported in an unusual way. If that sounds like your situation, try converting the file to a more Premiere-friendly format using a tool like Handbrake. In some cases, changing the file extension may temporarily help, but the best long-term fix is converting it properly into a supported format like MP4. Another good workaround is to import the file into the project panel first, instead of dragging it directly from Windows Explorer or Finder. Once the file is inside Premiere's project panel, try dragging it from there into your timeline. This avoids file browser issues and can help if the original drag source is the problem. If none of that works, clear your media cache. Go to Preferences, then Media Cache, and choose Remove Media Cache Files. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or bloated, and that can cause all kinds of strange Premiere Pro behavior, including drag and drop problems. After clearing the cache, restart Premiere Pro and test again. So to quickly recap, if you cannot drag into Premiere Pro, first check source patching, then toggle track targeting, restart or reset your workspace, verify the file format or codec, import through the project panel, and finally clear the media cache. One of these fixes usually solves the issue. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and editing workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.